saying while the economy isn't looking so great, the housing market is booming.
Twin Cities realtors just enjoyed their best July in nearly 20 years. It's sort of unexpected in a time where people are social distancing. You're not real hesitant to have movers in your house. People are unemployed.
Exactly. We get this question a lot. We also get the question, and we will answer this at some point, about the sort of that disconnect between the stock market and the economy, and then this question about the sort of disconnect between the housing market and the economy. Because if you go back not all that far, 2008, you remember the housing market and the economy were hand in hand.
Right, right. But this time, not so much. So what, you met a Brooklyn Park couple yesterday.
Yeah, they lost 6 houses in their search. They went through
honestly,
6 bidding wars.
That didn't even sound that high compared to some of the stories that I've heard.
And so what they did, they were putting in $5-10 grand over the asking price. So finally, to get this house, their realtor said, you need to just go big, and they put 20 grand over asking. They were against 13 other buyers.
Wow.
And they got the house on day 1.
What's the price range that this house was in?
So this house was in like the high 200s.
Yeah, so the hottest part of the market, right?
Exactly, right.
So there have been a lot of things driving the housing market, especially in the lower bracket, the so-called starter home. And part of it is that in the Twin Cities, builders don't build starter homes.
Yeah, so builders aren't keeping up with demand. So a lot of this really becomes an inventory issue. There aren't enough homes out there, right? And then the other thing that's happening is sellers are staying put. Because it's sort of a chicken and an egg. There's not that much, because the inventory is not there, there's not that much to buy. So they're saying, I'm not going to sell my house if there's really nothing to buy. Right. Then you have record low mortgage rates.
Yeah, we just refinanced and locked in at 2.75% for a 30-year. That's crazy.
Right. And if you're looking at, I remember talking to my parents about this. I remember they telling me their first home was a 17% rate. So you're talking about 2.7.
But if we didn't, so say I didn't want to refinance, if I wanted to move, just by paying the same monthly payment, on my mortgage, I just saved $300 a month. With the refi. And my wife and I talked about, wow, think about how much more house we could afford.
Exactly.
If you put that money on top of, we could afford a lot more house, but we're not. We're staying just like everybody else, right?
The realtor said that's why he's seeing, at least among his clients, the bidding wars then happening in the 400s to 500 housing range, which you don't generally see, partly because of that mortgage rate. The other thing that's happening is, you mentioned this earlier, people were scared of anyone going into their house. The real estate market kind of shut down in March and then sort of the beginning of April. So anybody that was in this quote unquote spring market that they always discuss, what's happening is that's happening now. So you're pushing it out.
So even more buyers.
You're pushing it out there. And so they're saying the spring market is happening in July. And with COVID, a lot of times it just ends when kids are going back to school. And with kids not going back to school, people have some more flexibility on when they're going to do this. So
it's tough out there. Good luck to everybody. I'm glad I'm not looking to move.
That's what the couple said. Just keep the faith. Just keep going.
They were great.
This.
They were great.